Hello, welcome to my channel. It's been a while. Today I'm going out to Ikea and the New Forest, just going off for a walk. Might take some photos. Yeah, so I thought I'd just take you along with me. Also, my hair's very short right now. It's very messy. That is because when I went to go get my roots touched up, all my hair burnt off, so I was having a meltdown on New Year's. I literally look like a boy from the back. The front's alright, it looks decent from the front, but the back is an actual mess, so I will be wearing a wig today. So I've just got my wig on now. Looks somewhat realistic. I feel like if you see me in person, you wouldn't take a second glance. Maybe when you're up close, you might think it's a wig, but you know. Yeah, hair in my mouth. Yeah, I've got loads of pearls on. I've got my boyfriend's jacket on to keep me warm because my outfit is not for the weather, but it looks good. So yeah, I'll show you a quick snapshot of the outfit. Here is my outfit. I'm wearing vintage army boots with 2 leg warmers and thick knit tight. Got a copper-copine waistcoat on. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. See more of my outfit in the New Forest. I'll probably take photos there, so yeah. I feel like that villain in Fargo.
Fargo?
Yeah, he's like got the exact same
yeah.
snow boots when he's running away. Very clear. I feel like we could drink out of it. Don't look how soft the grass looks. Ikea. Oh, I can't reverse it, wait.